Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a delicious dinner with puff pastry dough, chicken and onion and tomato, some salad things, garlic, cucumber, radish, green chili, and egg. I will cut all these things in very small pieces. Viewers, I have cut all the things in very small pieces and I think so I need to garnish this more. These pieces are not too small, so I need to grind this. And I will add a pinch of salt, chaat masala, black pepper, 2 eggs, chaat masala. Now just close this and grind this. Maybe I think so. Yes, it's done. We don't need to make more blend. This is fine. That's it. It's ready. Just I will make a bread. So we will add some cooking oil. Add this ingredient. On one side. Now fold this side like this. So viewers, you need to cut this in pieces like this and make a twist like this with your hand. Put this in a tray. Viewers, this is ready. I am putting in the oven for 40 minutes. So this thing will be ready. After 40 minutes I will check this. So viewers, let me check. This is ready. Wow. Viewers, my delicious recipe for dinner is ready. You can eat this now.